if you use NPV and XNPV regularly, you just have to be a little bit careful about what you use as the discount rate. So just a quick proof, we've got a nominal rate here of 11%. That effective rate using effect is 11.57%, and we've got some cash flows. If we do an NPV, so we use the NPV function, and we use the discount, the nominal discount rate of 11%, you'll see we get very close, well, we get to 0. So that is correct. With an NPV, you use the nominal rate. However, if you use XNPV and you use that same nominal rate, you'll see that you don't get very close. However, if you use the effective rate, you get much closer. Now, it won't be exact just because of the way we've built this. We haven't done the exact days. But the important lesson here is XNPV needs effective rate and NPV uses nominal rate.